Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to keep you updated on upcoming videos. Today I am giving you an important message about the International Day of the Older Person. International Day of Older Persons 2022, October 1st is observed as the International Day of Older Persons across the globe. The day was introduced by the United Nations General Assembly with an aim of honoring the contribution of older persons and looking into the problems that they face. Older people make significant contributions to society via volunteer work, passing on experience and knowledge, and assisting their families with different responsibilities. As today we celebrate this occasion, let's glance at its history and significance. The United Nations General Assembly passed a resolution on December 14, 1990, to establish October 1st as the International Day of Older Persons. The day came into being after the Vienna International Plan of Action on Aging initiative, which was adopted by the World Assembly on Aging in 1982. The UN General Assembly in 1991 approved the United Nations Principles for Older Persons. Later in 2002, the Second World Assembly on Aging embraced the Madrid International Plan of Action on Aging. It was done to address and understand the opportunities and challenges faced by the older generation in the 21st century and to promote the development of a society for all ages. This year, the theme for the International Day of Older Persons is Resilience of Older Persons in a Changing World. Many believe, and I believe, that I have been designated for this work by God. In spite of my old age, I do not want to give it up. I work out of love for God and I put all my hope in Him. Michelangelo. Lord, save us all from old age and broken health and a hope tree that has lost the faculty of putting out blossoms. Mark Twain. The harvest of old age is the recollection and abundance of blessing previously secured. Marcus Tullius Cicero. You get old and realize there are no answers, just stories. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Mark Twain. 40 is the old age of youth, 50 the youth of old age. Victor Hugo. They have always led our ways, they have always held our hands, they have always protected us, loved us, and cared for us. Now it is our turn to return the favors and make their old age a beautiful one. Best wishes on World Elders Day. Without their love, care and affection, we wouldn't have been the same. On the occasion of World Elders Day, let us thank our elders for giving us a beautiful life. Happy World Elders Day. Let us thank God for giving us the protection and love of our elders. Let us spend time with them, love them and care for them because they are our strengths. Wishing Happy World Elders Day.